G'day everyone. So interesting news and sort of unexpected. He's sent me for a series of blood tests on my hormones, and at this stage he wants me to go on progesterone for 6 weeks just to see if that will stop the bleeding before he'll go ahead and do an ablation. The fact that I did IVF and that I've had lots of trouble my whole life, he just wants to do a scan after the 6-week stage to check, you know, the lining of my uterus and see how thick and even it is. Which also depends on when you get the ablation done. If it's uneven, it's hard to get a good all-round result, if that makes sense. So yeah, I didn't think that that's how it would go. I thought it would be a lot more straightforward, but in saying that, I'm an interesting case. I've been going to him for 15 years now because I've been an interesting case. So I'm about to go for a full panel of blood tests, hormones, menopause tests, everything like that. So that should be interesting. And he's going to see me in 6 weeks for that scan, and we have to take the things from there. So I really don't know what's going to happen at this stage. It's a bit scary. Okay, bye.